Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn a new topic in computerized accounting system, and that is using Tally. So we will be able to understand this topic by using the software Tally.erp9. In today's session, we are going to create a new company in which we can enter many as transactions for our business purpose. First of all, we will open the Tally from the Windows section. When we install Tally in our system, we will not be getting any company by default. So user have to create his own company details in this software. So we are having four options here. We can activate our license, reactivate user existing license, we can get a rental license, and we can also configure existing license. But if you want to use as educational mode, we can also work in educational mode also. So we can use this menu to enter into educational mode or directly press Alt plus W. So we will be getting our first screen where we can select any company if we have. We can create company, backup and restore company, and also log in as remote users if our company is in remote server. So as we don't have any company, you can check it from select company session. So it shows no companies on disk. Then we will be getting into the menu of creating company. So we can press the shortcut of create company is C or select it by mouse. So I am pressing it on keyboard is C. The screen we get is company creation mode. We have to enter the company's name. Let's suppose Messrs ABC Limited. Now we have to enter our mailing name. In many cases, mailing name of the company may be different from the original company name. So we can enter here the mailing name if you want to change, otherwise it will be same. We have to enter its address. Let's suppose the address is block number 3, sector 4, New Delhi. We can enter one more line here, but if we do not want a more address, we can just hit enter to get the next menu. Now we'll select the country, state, which is New Delhi here. It's Delhi in this menu. Now pin code 110054. Let's suppose we have to enter a phone number. So I'm getting a temporary phone number. We can enter email like someone at the rate email.com. Any website if we have, abcd.com. Financial year, it is very important because when we enter financial year, all our transaction will start from this financial date. so we'll be careful while entering this date. For our case it's 1st April 2020. We can enter any televault password if you want to secure it, otherwise press enter. If you want to use security control, the security control will help in accessing our online data on Tele and many other features. Now we will selecting no, and then we have to select the currency, which is rupees. I will not changing this menus, you can alter according to your requirement. When I have reached at the last option of the screen, I will be asked whether I would like to save these changes or not. So I will press enter to save the changes by accepting the screen. I can directly enter yes, Y or yes. Otherwise, we can press enter also. So our company creation is complete. We can use this company for all our business transactions under this. Now we can see the gateway of Tele from where we can use all the operations. We will be using this screen in our coming sessions. Till then, thank you and bye bye.